Good morning, traders. It's Monday, May the 5th, 2025. After a steady climb on Friday, the markets are showing signs of caution as we kick off the week. On Friday, we saw a consistent upward move with passive buying from Thursday's point of control, pushing the ES above the 5,700 level. The session ended with price ranging into the close, indicating a balanced market. There are no major economic releases scheduled for today. However, keep an eye on market sentiment as we approach the upcoming Federal Reserve meeting later this week. Let's dive into the key levels and setup to watch today. Let's start with the 10-day volume profile. The profile remains in a one time framing up structure, staying above the previous period's POC right here at 5,429. A double distribution has formed below, which could act as a retest area. If we lose this level, we may fall back into this previous period range. The weekly chart structure is also one time framing up with a low at 5,455. We are opening the week above last week's value area high. It's crucial for bulls to hold the confluence zone around last week's POC and this value area high at 5,661. Let's talk about Friday's session. We saw a nice trend continuation above the weekly VWAP's first standard deviation. However, we encountered some passive selling pressure between 5,700 and 5,725, indicating potential resistance in that area. And the New York session formed a P-shaped profile, retesting Thursday value area high at the open and building value above the previous range. This structure might suggest some short covering and a potential for continued bullish movements if we hold above key levels. On the 1 hour, we see that the uptrend continues. The Globex session opened lower with a small gap right here, aiming at the next low around 5,633. Watch for reactions at this level to see the market strength. And for my game plan, my line in the sand will be 5,705. This is the gap low, an area of passive selling. Bull targets will be 5,724, 5,750, and lastly 5,770. While bear targets will be 5,680, 5,645, and 5,600 flats. Now, as we start the week, the market is showing signs of hesitation after a strong run. With no major news today, focus on price action around key levels. Stay disciplined and avoid chasing moves without confirmation. And as always, if you find this analysis helpful, please like, subscribe, hit the bell icon to stay updated. You can find me trading live in Discord on a daily basis, and my free newsletter will keep you updated on current market situations. All links in description. See you tomorrow for the next daily outlook.